Welcome back to Closing Bell on the 21st of October 2020. Today I've got two things I'd like to speak about and two interesting topics of the day in this very, very active market on the Wednesday. But before we get into the detail, please click on the link below if you would like to join StockHut.io because that's my partner and sponsor for this Closing Bell tonight. Before I came in, I had to refer to StockHut.io and do my research before I deliver this presentation to you. So click on the link below if you are interested. Okay, let's get back to my first topic. First topic is PayPal. PayPal has shot 5% up. Why? And then you can see Square dropping 5%. Something is strange. So people from Square somehow were taking the money and going to PayPal. Why? PayPal are accepting Bitcoin. PayPal is accepting cryptocurrency in their transaction. For all you guys mining cryptocurrencies for years, all you guys investing in cryptocurrency, not knowing what you're going to do about it, now you can use your wallet on PayPal to buy goods and services. And you merchants there who are accepting local currencies, maybe Great British Pounds, Euros, you can have the option to accept cryptocurrencies and then change your transaction to your local currencies, your local dollars, local rupiah, whenever you want to capitalize on growth. That is amazing. So PayPal has said in 2021 they'll be accepting Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ethereum Cash, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, the popular ones. Not Dogecoin. I don't think they're accepting Dogecoin yet. And the whole point is to increase crypto utility. So now you can use crypto. It's going to start using like a transactional currency. Square, 2 weeks ago, Jack Dorsey started buying about 50 million worth of Bitcoin, which caused Bitcoin to go up. And today, Bitcoin is at 2020 high. So we always thought that Square would be the first to jump into this pool of wealth using crypto. But guess what? PayPal got ahead of you. And now PayPal is at all-time high. Square should be making moves shortly. Let's hear what they're going to say for the earnings. And all the cryptocurrencies are doing really well at this standpoint. I know we're all focusing on equity stocks, but do you know that Ethereum is up 3x? Ethereum Cash is up 3x since the COVID-19. So for those who invest in cryptocurrency, well done. I follow a couple of guys on Twitter and girls on Twitter on cryptocurrencies, and they are moonshotting all-time high in some of the new Moderna currencies. So that's pretty impressive. So is it time to own cryptocurrencies? Please leave a comment below. If you are a regular cryptocurrency holder, which one do you prefer to buy? The major ones or the new ones that's up? So I want to hear your comments below so I can learn from you as well. Okay, next one. Pinterest. Pinterest is at all-time high. Pinterest shot and showed us the glory at $50 mark. They were up as high as 15% and then eventually they settled for 8%. Now, Pinterest is not even showing any signs of their earnings until the 28th or 27th of October. What's happened? All thanks to Snapchat. Snapchat came in, announced the great earnings. They're up about 20 to 30%. They were hovering really, really strongly, greatly today. Snapchat saying that with the boycott of Facebook, they're doing really well. They're grabbing user base. So for Pinterest earnings, watch out for the user base growth. As you can see on the chart here, the user base growth, the last quarter jumped up really high. If they jump another 20%, boom, they'll be doing really well. And I did my additional research. Data is key. I've checked Uber Suggest, a website that I use to look at traffic, and Pinterest traffic has peaked in July and then started dropping off because the gates were open for people to get back to work, people to get out. The lockdown was over in Europe and America, and then slowly COVID wave 2 came in, and then the numbers keep going up again. So people are staying home looking at Halloween products just now, looking at Halloween decoration, Halloween things to do at Halloween. So Pinterest has dynamically improved and changed over the course of COVID-19. So during summer, people were stuck at home. Pinterest was trying to deliver baking session, farming, planting session. They're trying to show how to decorate at home. And now they're changing over to Halloween. So they're very dynamically changing. So people are contributing, people are consuming Pinterest. So a lot of traffic is happening in Pinterest. User base growth, it's becoming a niche that people use. Not for the millennials, perhaps more for people beyond 30, 40, 50 years old who are stuck at home with families. I use it for my kids' homework and craft session. So Pinterest sounds like going to be a game changer. And so Pinterest, however, in Pinterest, I think if they do well, they will be life beyond $50. Life beyond $50 for Pinterest is something they want to establish. They want to get their ground. They want to be different from Facebook, Instagram, Google, YouTube. Pinterest wants to be its own niche, its own novelty. I think they will do. However, the funny thing is Wayfair and Etsy dropped 8 to 10% today. Wayfair and Etsy is one of the most sponsored posts, most used posts on Pinterest, but somehow they were going down and Pinterest is going up. So we have to see closely, are sales revenue really going down, or is the reason why Etsy and Wayfair are coming down is because of stimulus check in the US and also support line and cash for people in Europe as well. So we need to see what's happening. We need to see the sales revenue. So that's really going to be an interesting one. So this is me on Closing Bell. However, I will be covering a special episode on Tesla's great earnings, delivering 140,000 vehicles this quarter in the next video today. So I'm going to close this off saying thank you very much, and please leave a comment below if you're a Pinterest shareholder and tell me what average you were at. I think I'm hovering around about 24 to 30. I need to double check. 24 to 30 Pinterest shares, and I'm holding them tight. I'm quite proud of it. And so tell me how much you own, and also remember the Bitcoin cryptocurrency. Okay, this is me on Closing Bell, and hope to see you tomorrow and also next episode for the Tesla. See ya. Bye.